send it back? What if we send it back up? Okay, there it goes. I feel like we're gonna get most of the way down this time, right? Okay, then we'll pause it there. And then, is he noticed yet? And then we'll send it back up. Oh my gosh. Okay, there it goes. He's gonna watch it go down. Sponsored by Amazon. Okay, so we made sure that the line was clear. And then I think we just send it. Oh, and then, oh, I pushed it too many times. Okay, there we go. It's going up. 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 He's sleeping. Oh my gosh. Oh, the dog got out. Nobody. Oh no, not the dog getting out. Yeah. Wipe the sensor off. See if that works. What if we just mess with him? What if we just pause it right here? And then what if we send it back up? He's so confused. Oh, this is good. Yeah, buddy. Clear all the stuff out of from your garage. Yeah. Clean it up. Yeah, kick it into your golf bag. No, nothing's happening down there. The sensors are clean. Alright, way to go, Super Chief. I think we let it get all the way back down this time before we move it again. Let him think that he's got it. Let him think. Just go all the way down. Let him get in the truck. Stare at it a little longer. Yeah. Closed and open. Oh my gosh. Now he's getting angry. Oh no. Look at, he's getting all worked up. Should we go tell him that it's... Hey neighbor! Hey neighbor, you look pretty stressed out. You need a hand? Is it broken? Or should just, you have not given me a copy.
Give me that back. You don't get that anymore. Give me that back. I'm late. I am late. Give me that.
You can come take it from me, honestly.
I was pissed.